Santa, your bedroom is beautiful. I love it. Thanks for bringing me into your bedroom. Santa, do you think friends can really live like brothers?
Yes, friends can bond better than real brothers sometimes and not all the time. No one has an excuse to be left alone. If you have no families, then you should make a good friend. That friend can be your family. You feel like a family depending upon how you are treated.
Oh, I get. Santa, does this mean I should have a family whether real or a friend? Is it compulsory that I don't stay alone?
You cannot go through life's difficulties alone. Although some people love being lonely. If you don't love being lonely, then get a family. A family could be your real brother or at least a friend. Family is a feeling of comfort, care, guidance, etc. This feeling is important. This is why we should prioritize family over money and other things.
How do I prioritize family over money?
You can do this by understanding the value of family. Prioritizing family over money all goes on in the mind. In your mind, do you really care for your family? This is what you should work on. Make sure that your family is important right in your mind. Then physically, you can make them comfortable by providing money, support, and care for them. This is how to prioritize family over money. It doesn't mean you sit at home and look at them all day. It is all in the mind. Without this action, you cannot have a blessed life as a man. To some men, family means nothing. If you really want happiness as a man, then you should prioritize your family.
I love what you said, Santa.
You are welcome.